Canaan University? Ah, nice place to learn. Ah, so many people have learned out of this university. I'm going to be one of them. Wow, looks so amazing. Who's this? What? Oh, I have to go there. Okay. Here I am. I'm eligible. Huh? I will learn. Easy. I practice test. Wow. Oh, sorry. Next is mine. Oh, not me again. Sorry. I. So sorry. I'll be like this one day. So many people have learned out of this Canaan University. I'm going to be one like this. Wow, look at that. Huh? Oh, ah. Oh, I. I'll be like this. Come in. Me? I'll do it. Oh!
You idiot. Stupid dog. Get out, I say.
I'm out of this university now. All are learning there inside except me. What should I do? What should I do now? I'll take you. Come with me. Here you are, lady. Hope it helped you.
Here is your degree.
I got the degree. I got it.